everyone, thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to do this gorgeous kind of cool girl wave hair, which is great if you've got events coming up and you want something really quick, easy to do, and you don't need a lot of things. Well, you need to pack lightly maybe, and you can't bring everything in the kitchen sink. So yeah, keep on watching. If you're a beauty lover, please hit subscribe. You will love all the tips and tricks that you can learn. I'm a pro makeup artist of 16 years and I've been on many kind of fashion sets and all sorts of photo shoots and fashion week. I've worked with some of the most amazing hairstylists around and picked up a few tricks along the way, and I love sharing with you and helping you learn being glam. Learn how to do your glam. Anyway, if you've got any questions, let's chat in the comments below. It's always a pleasure, and let's get to it. Let's transform this wig because it is not cute. First, I get a wobble stand. That's not good. Lisa's back in the room. She's back in the room. I can confirm this. I'm going to clip half of my hair up, but before I do that, I'm going to brush with the wide toothed comb. And because I have really fine hair, there's a really big fly in here. No, go away. Sorry if you can hear it buzzing in the background. Because I have really fine hair, it knots very easily. So what I do is I brush from the ends and then work up. Do it backwards, because if you go from the top, you're simply just going to create real knots at the end. Top tip. There's some more coming your way, guys. Look at these peonies, by the way. My lovely friend Sarah got them. I did a job with her the other day. Very exciting skincare beauty campaign. And she sent them and they're amazing. Thank you. They make me so happy. Right, so we're going to get half the hair and clippity clip, clop that out of the way, boo. Like so. It's a style, it's a look, it's interesting. And then what I'm going to do, get my GHD MAX. It comes with a little protecting silicone thingy-mabob. I'm going to do two things. So when it was damp earlier, it's dry now obviously, I used the 5-in-1 styler from Living Proof. So this is going to help to style the hair, give smoothness and just help style it basically a little bit. And then I'm going to pop some heat protectant in now. Let's do that. I know this is going to beep in just a second. There you go, they're ready. They're so quick. I love it. Bit of heat protectant in there. We can't be friends if you don't use heat protectant, okay? And then I'm going to use a teeny bit of this. It's a smooth blowout concentrate by Living Proof, and it cuts the blowout time. I know I'm not blow drying my hair, but you know, why not? This also has heat protectant, so actually I didn't need to use the spray. Okay, so this I think you should technically use in damp hair, yeah, but I haven't, so there. And this you want to focus kind of more on the ends, a little bit more. And then, so the wide plates do two things. They make it really quick, they make it really easy, and that's what we want. Gorgeous, easy. So I like to sort of just do one pass, just to know I've kind of smoothed everything out. And then I go a dip one way, and then a dip the other way, and then a dip the other way. So look at this, you get this gorgeous wave from that. It's gone a bit mental at the end there, just, there you go. A mental bend. There you go. So that kind of soften a little bit. So what I always like to do is have all my hair at the back and just pull sections forward as I do it. So pulling this one, so I'm almost doing like, I've split my lower half here almost into quarters. So make sure it's all smooth, and then you do one pass just to get it really nice and smooth all the way across, and then same, doop. Oh, isn't that lovely? Look at that. So it transforms my floofy hair, and it shows off the colour really, really nicely. So let's do this section, eh? Oh, there we go. Lovely stuff. I think I've done that the wrong way around. There we go. Continue this technique all the way around. So at this point I'd actually spray it, but I can't seem... Oh, actually I've got spray here. I was like, where is my spray? Some spray, GHD spray, and that just helps set everything. So now take this bit out. I think no, I don't think, I know. I'm just going to leave the fringe out of this conversation right now. And go a boop. So once again, make sure that's all, oh yeah, I forgot to say, sort your parting out too. Wherever you want, that's still really wonky. Whoa. A good way to do a parting is to take the comb like so, centre, if you want it in the centre, and you just pull it apart. I like to take this back bit because my hair's really thin on the crown, and I like to sort of pull it back from a bit earlier to sort of hide the lack of hair there. And let's go in. What I'm actually going to do to keep a bit more smoothness and hold is spray the hairspray beforehand. And I go out, then in, out. You can sing a little song, and then you just repeat that. You can hold it there for a second just to help encourage the kind of the curl, to kind of set the wave, I should say, not the curl. It's a wave, Lisa, God. So I'm going to take this section. So do slightly smaller sections here, just to have a little bit more control. Out, in. It's sometimes just easier to make a chant out of what you're trying to do. So nice. So nice. And for this crown part, pull away from the top of the hair and then just work the bends the same you have for all the other sections. So just repeating this. It's quite quick and it's quite repetitive. What was it? In, out. What was it? In, in. In, out, in. There we go. Oh, these are really nice for that kind of just chunky, cool kind of wave. In, out. And it's nice to hit that out part on sort of like the cheekbone kind of area, so it really accentuates kind of what is going on with your little face, or big face, depending on the size of your face. I'm only going to put the spray in the little fringy fringe. Well, and hairspray. So this, I'm going to go out, then in. Just kind of pulled back. The thing is, if it doesn't work the first time, you just go over it. Go over it and do it again until it's right. Just want to get a bit more volume on this side. Come on. Think of your hair, you know when you like curl, whoa, curl ribbon, and it's that sort of motion you're doing. Let's turn these off. So I'm going to give that a quick old spray, and ideally you would let this really cool down, like you want to touch the hair and it not be warm anywhere. Hairspray. This is where you really wait for it. If you're really short on time, blast it with a cool shot on a hairdryer on a low speed. I don't have a hairdryer to hand, so I'm just going to, come on, come on. I'm going to go this side first, 'cause I did this. So just use a wide tooth comb. Can you see how that just gives it that soft, nice curl? And then what I'm going to do, just finish it off, is I've run out of my dry texture spray by Living Proof, so what I'm going to do is just use, oh shit, that's loads, I didn't shake it enough, a bit of dry shampoo to give it a bit more root lift. It's really humid in the UK at the moment, so my hair is just like a real floof. A real floof! Then, even if it does go a bit white, it does all come out, which is good about this dry shampoo. And I just hope that that's not grey at the back. Just give it one more quick brush. Look at that, how, you know, it's just really softly curved, just soft bends, just shows the colours off beautifully in the hair. What do you think? Nice, quick. It kind of looks like a blow dry, but like a modern one that isn't too done. It's cool hair, do you know what I mean? Anyway, that's it. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you've got any questions below, and until next time.